Hello everyone, bonjour. This is Tuula Rampont and I am the International Living France Correspondent coming to you today from our home in the sunny southern France city of Ollioules. I'm going to take you today on a tour of our neighborhood, which is outside the village. I'm going to show you around our housing tract, which is a French housing tract, and give you some tips and hopefully insider information what to look for when you're thinking of buying a home or an apartment in France. So if you'd like to join me, we're going to take a tour first of our housing tract. Lotissement is called in French, and then I'm going to take you to the center of our village, again Ollioules, near Toulon in the south of France. Largest city near us is Toulon. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. So this is to my left. From where we were in the previous shot, a new housing development right in front of our housing tract. Two important things to know about this is one, they are building new developments all throughout France, so it's an exciting thing if you're thinking about buying an apartment or a home here. This is a mixed development of homes and apartments. Another good thing for us, which is a great thing to think about when you're looking for a home, there is this huge field right in front of me, which in French is called non constructible, means that you can't build on it. So our previous owners went down to the town hall and they let us know that this little tract in front field cannot be built on. So we're sure to have some quiet from this new development, so that's an important thing to look for when you're searching to see with the town hall, or ask the owners where you're looking if there are permits to build near you. I'm just going to pan around slowly. Nice thing about where we live, which I absolutely love, we did spend a lot of time looking for a home in different areas. I'm going to walk up a little bit further. Is we are very near shops, cinema, movie theater, restaurants. Center of Toulon is about 10 minutes away. We also have the center of the village, which I'll take you to, but it is a very quiet residential area. You can see up ahead. I'm going to zoom a little bit. This is our house. If you go to International Living's YouTube channel, you can take a tour inside of our house under the tab My House in Toulon. So I'm just going to walk a little bit further. Again, nice because we're close to all the shops and amenities. The freeway, which is called the Autoroute, is a 5-minute drive from here, but really secluded in a kind of nice, comfortable community. All right, wanted to give you another view of the housing tract. There's about 70 homes in total. You can see pretty quiet around here. Do like to take lots of walks in the neighborhood. Really pretty landscaping. This being the south of France, there are a lot of olive trees everywhere. In the next clip, I'll talk to you about costs, what to look for in a housing tract like this one, and how to go for cheaper homes as well, leading you out to one of the main roads that'll take us to a main highway. Here we are, we just came down this road. It's about a 2-minute walk from where we were previously. Getting to the entrance of the housing tract, I'll just tell you briefly about our home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's 1,500 square feet, and it was 420,000 euro, which I'm sure is probably more than most people want to spend when they want to buy something in France. We are a family of 3, and we will be looking to do in retirement, which most folks do in this corner of the country, is to get an apartment. Apartments start at about $200,000. Again, we're near the city of Toulon, and keep in mind we're about a 10-minute drive from the beach and the Mediterranean Sea. Here is the main road I was telling you about. This road is a 10-minute drive to a major shopping center with a Carrefour supermarket, eyeglass shop, clothing store, shoe shop, hairdresser. Pretty much you can, everything you would like to see in a nice French mall. We don't pay any monthly fees. We do have a yearly housing association fee, which is 200 euro, about $235. Here is just the trash pickup, recycling, and there is a place to donate even your clothes to a local charity shop. One last thing I'll mention is, I'm just going to pan around here quickly. A great thing which really sold us on this place, 5-minute walk from here, is a French healthcare clinic, which came in handy when I sprained my ankle a couple years ago right after we moved in. So nice to have healthcare services right down the road. Okay, a little bit of a change of scenery. We are now in the center of town. This is Ollioules village. It's known as a typical Provençal village. We're in the main square. Things are a bit slower today because it's a Sunday. A lot of shops are closed. Normally, very lively atmosphere, cafe, bars, restaurants. You've got your bakeries, butcher, typical Provençal south of France village. You may notice one of the things we like about living on the outside of town is it's quieter, but it does mean that we need to drive into the center. All right, I'm going to leave you off here in our pretty village of Ollioules. Just wanted to mention that a great option when you first come to France is to rent. Near here in the city of Toulon, you can get a 1-bedroom furnished apartment starting at $800. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, france@internationalliving.com. Bonne journée and au revoir from Ollioules, south of France. If you're intrigued by the ideas I've been discussing here, then you should know that I, along with International Living, have put together a library of resources on France and other options in Europe. For starters, you can click on the link below to get your free report on France.